Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Subscribe to this channel and press like. When you subscribe, you'll be able to get notifications each time we post. Okay? We love you guys.
Which means that they have reached certain aspects of the guidance notes we gave to them. And I told them, and indeed, when I met President Buhari, I told him that we, even the people they have met, we get ICPC and NFIU, and that we're not going to bring the EFCC, ICPC, NFIU, join us in monitoring the flow of this currency to our people. And I must say that I'm even very delighted with yesterday evening. I even read that the PSS themselves have not started, which is what we want. So that everybody knows that we're conducting this activity to the best of our ability. We're doing this for the good of Nigeria. We're doing this so the Nigerian economy can be better than it is today. And I am saying,
Federal Committee and leader, House of Representatives, Honorable Adedugwa, other distinguished members of the House of Representatives and also members of the Special Committee. Good morning, and let me say that I thank you for giving us an opportunity to come address you this morning. But I think it's important first for me to address my unavoidable absence to heed the invitation of the committee. On the two occasions that invitation have been extended to us, but first let me apologize for my inability to be here. It was not intended to undermine your work, undermine